Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is where I give you free tips on how to earn USDT and share amazing platforms that you can invest and earn quickly. This is the platform we're working with. You just have to register, input your email, your password, and everything submit. You are good to go. So this is the interface of this platform. Quickly, I will be helping you to exploit this platform and teach you how you can earn in this platform. You can see member list. Member list is people that has earned in this platform. There are people that has earned and withdrew successfully in this platform. So that means this platform is doing good. So all you just have to do, remember, you register and input your email and every other thing. So this is the member list, and see people cashing out, how much they are cashing out from the platform. And you can also see all the VIPs you need to unlock. You need to unlock and start earning in it. So these are the packages in this platform that you just have to unlock. Once you unlock it, you start earning daily, like daily income, daily profits. If you're still watching this video up to now, that means you are enjoying it. Please subscribe to our channel so that you'll be the first to be notified once we upload a new video, and give this video a thumbs up. So you can see this is 220 USDT. This is what you need to unlock this VIP 1 package. Once you unlock it, you start having your daily profit from it, and you're having a total profit of 342 once you unlock with 20 USDT, and you will be having a daily profit. Like each day you can withdraw your 3.80 USDT. So that's very simple and easy. Remember, the higher package you join, the higher your profit. So they have from VIP 1 to VIP 10. So you just have to join any VIP of your choice and start earning as quick as possible. So now I'll be teaching you how you can recharge. You can recharge your USDT to be able to unlock any package of your choice. So once you click on recharge, it will take you to this interface. This is the interface of anything you want to recharge. You want to recharge with your USDT 120. So another way you can earn in this platform is through referral. What you just have to do is click on your referral link and send it to your friends. Once they register, you are receiving commissions. So if they have commissions, you see they have commission level 1 to level 3. So you'll be having commission. You can see level 1, you have 30% commission from their earnings. So to withdraw from this platform, once you click on withdrawal, it takes you to this interface. What you just have to do is input the amount you want to withdraw, and that's it. These are other things you can exploit in the platforms. Transfer to help you transfer your money. Then you can change your password. Remember, financial records to help you keep track. So thank you so much. Bye.